In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Apple TV as an extended display for your Mac. Before we get started, it's worth noting that both your Mac and your Apple TV needs to be connected to the same network for this to work. The first thing we need to do is to go to the control center on your Mac in the top right hand corner, and from here you want to click on the screen mirroring option. Inside the screen mirroring drop down menu, you want to select your Apple TV, which in this example is called Living Room. It's going to be mirrored to your Apple TV screen, and your screen may go a bit weird because it's going to match the screen resolution of your Apple TV. Once we've done this, we now need to change the Apple TV to be used as an extended display. To do this, you want to go back to the control center, and you want to go back into the screen mirroring options. And within the drop down menu underneath your Apple TV, you want to select Use as Extended Display. This may refresh after a second, and now your Apple TV is being used as an extended display, as if the display is being connected to your Mac via a cable. Now, because it's being treated as an external display, we can also rearrange these displays. To do that, you want to go to the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and then click on System Settings. And once you're inside the System Settings, you want to scroll down to Displays in the left hand side menu. And you should see two displays, your Mac display and the living room display, which is your Apple TV. Now you want to click on the Arrange button just below that, and then you want to rearrange your Apple TV display and your Mac display to be in an alignment that you would like. For example, my MacBook display is below my Apple TV display, so I'm going to arrange them like this. Once you're ready, you want to click on Done, and then you can exit out of the system settings. And now when I move my mouse to the top of my Mac screen, it will now go into the Apple TV display screen. If you want to disconnect from your Apple TV display, you simply want to go back to the control center and then go back into the screen mirroring options, and then you want to click on the Apple TV disconnect, and your Mac and your Apple TV will return to its original state. And that is how you use your Apple TV as an external display. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.